Time check guys! It's JF time! Hi guys! So ayun guys, katatapos nga lang namin dyan mag-marinate ng tapsilog para ready na for your orders guys. At naisipan kong videohan ang dining area ng GFH Street Restaurant guys. So ayun guys, we're inviting you to please come visit here and dine with us here at your GFH Street Restaurant located at Sheikh Amar Street, Rauda 3, Ajman, UAE. We're very happy and thankful to serve you the best Asian food here in Ajman. We have Thailand food, Chinese food, Japanese food, and Filipino food. All halal with good quality for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, sa mga nakapasyal na dito sa GFH Street Restaurant, kung meron kayong photos, please comment down below guys. And please comment na kung anong masasabi nyo sa dining area at experience sa pag-dining nyo sa GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, para sa mga gustong pumunta, i-message nyo kami sa 055-44-30403 for the location guys, para masend namin sa inyo yung location guys. Ready na rin po kami for caterings and to celebrate your special occasion guys, such as birthday and any happy occasion guys. We do catering. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.